this demo. I might just show quickly the wall calculator. That won't be in the next webinar, but this is also, I've showed you the new beam, the new column, the new floor, but the new wall calculator, again, save it to whatever project you want. Let's go Languish Hotel. I wonder, that must have been not a good day whenever I came up with that project name, but anyway, let's design Languish Hotel. Yeah, with this design, you can see again, you've got basic cross sections now every time, so it's a much more powerful calculator, I'd say. Again, design codes, analysis, similar to before, you got framing of platform or balloon. But now what we didn't have, you got wind, so you can do outer plane wind loads, whatever it might be. Eccentricities, you got manual input, but now we've built in the revised Euro code. So this is what governs the design of walls a lot of the time. And again, you can always go through and learn from it. So we are building in CSA, Canada, and USA as eccentricity methods as well, similar to vibration, because it does govern more than you'd expect. So for us, we put in the wind. You can put in the load there, and then go through the calculations as such. So that's just a quick sneak peek at the wall calculator.